3 a.m. and today we're going on a long weekend. So we are heading up to Shakawe for tiger fishing. The road is a bit horrendous, a lot of potholes, big potholes, can't do more than 80 kilometers an hour. We are almost there. At the moment the only way to cross is on this ferry. They are building a bridge over there which actually looks very nice, but let's cross this ferry. Last night we rocked up at our camp. Took us about 10 hours to get here, but an amazing spot.
Estamos aquí guarachando, descargando. Aha!
Welcome back to another morning of shower talks with a view. Can you see that boat down there? That's the barbel run. The barbel run is you've got all the small barbel. They breed out in the reeds and the papyrus on the sides. And now that the water is dropping down, then start moving into the main channel. And this is what causes the barbel run. Fish slapping on the surface. I actually caught one tiger. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! But at the end, it got away. Ah! We got one from the Frenchman, Alex. And that was it. Unfortunately, not a lot of luck with the fishing. Last night we were treated to a spectacular African storm. What I call the 3 S's of an African storm is storm, smell, sight. Storm, smell, sight, sound. That's 4 S's. that time lapse was from last night's storm. Like I said, a spectacular African storm. We're having a really good time here. It is, I mean, why do you not want to shower with a view like that? Through the bushes, find a secret swim spot.